how to change background in Picsart. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to change background in Picsart. So first thing first, what you have to do is go to your Picsart account and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, and at the bottom press the plus icon right in the center. Next thing, what you want to do is go ahead and locate the image that you want to go ahead and change the background for. So I'm gonna go with this one. Let's say this is the one. So once I've actually opened up the particular image, now at the bottom you can see this option as remove background. So if you want to go ahead and remove or change the background, you could just go ahead and change it to something else, just like this, by going to the effects section. You could also go ahead and enhance all this quality, all that, and this way you could go ahead and change the background. Now if you want to do it this simple one, you could do it this like this, and you could just follow this steps, or you could go with the elements. So that's how you could go ahead and change the background. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.